In this video, I will tell you how to get or find Sui Wallet secret recover phrase. So first you need to open your Sui Wallet and make sure you are on the correct account if you use more than one. From the main screen, go to the area where wallet management and security settings live. Look for an option that mentions export, backup or reveal recovery phrase. Tap that option to begin the secure flow. Next, confirm your identity. The wallet will ask for your password, PIN or biometric check. Complete the prompt, then decide whether to view the words on screen or copy them in a protected way if the wallet supports that. When the phrase appears, write every word down in exact order on paper. Do not store it in screenshots, cloud notes or email. After that, double check the spelling and order. Since one incorrect word will make recovery impossible, create 2 paper copies and store them in separate safe places like a home safe and a secondary secure location. Never share the phrase with anyone, and remember that support staff will never ask for it. Finally, return to the wallet and close the reveal screen so it is not left visible. Consider creating a fresh wallet if you think the phrase may have been exposed. That's how you get Find Sui Wallet secret recover phrase. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.